This week in the Frame Shop, we're creating an art package for the Crestmoor, which is a 12-story luxury senior living project in Nashville, Tennessee. As you can see, it's a beautiful facility, and hey, I wouldn't mind living there myself. Our designer on this project is Donna Guerra Associates, so thanks to Donna and Mary Pat for this project. Now let's take a detailed look at everything that goes into creating an art package like this. The first step is to select the art, create a specifications book, and a marked floor plan. So the spec book shows all of the framing information, the size and the location. That of course corresponds to the marked floor plan. Now this is a really important tool for the designer to get an overview of the whole project and get all the specifications that they need here. At the end, we are going to put a sticker on the back of the frame like this, which gives the location, and the sticker plus the marked floor plan is a really useful tool for the installers. The first step is to print the art. We have wide format photo quality Epson printers, so we get a really nice high quality print. The next step is mounting and matting. Now, if you've ever seen a picture that over time has, with humidity, has wrinkled in the frame, it looks really bad. You don't want that. So gluing the pictures down is important. Next, we do the matting. We have a cool computerized mat cutter that's fun to watch. Next is cutting and joining the frames. The last step is fitting, which is putting the art into the frames. In this case, a local transportation company is going to pick up this job and transport it on their own truck to Nashville, so minimal packaging is required. And that's how we do it. So please tell YouTube you enjoyed this video by clicking subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time in the Frame Shop.